why control plans are your best friend. Hello, future engineering superstars. If you're stepping into the world of engineering, get ready, because change is the only constant you can truly count on. Whether it's new materials being introduced, suppliers making last-minute tweaks, or customers requesting updates to their products, the landscape is always shifting. Every day brings fresh challenges and opportunities, and it's your job to navigate them with skill and confidence. But let's be honest, unmanaged change can quickly spiral out of control. Imagine a production line grinding to a halt because of a small oversight, or customers returning products due to unexpected defects. These aren't just minor hiccups, they can lead to wasted resources, lost time, and a damaged reputation. When change isn't handled properly, it can create confusion, stress, and a whole lot of extra work for everyone involved. That's where the Change Management Control Plan steps in. It's your secret weapon for transforming uncertainty into opportunity. Think of it as a detailed recipe that guides you through every step of the change process, ensuring nothing is left to chance. Instead of dreading change, you'll be equipped to embrace it, knowing you have a proven system to keep things on track. Picture the control plan as your superhero toolkit. It helps you zero in on what's new, what needs attention, and what could go wrong, so you can prevent problems before they start. With this toolkit, you're not just reacting to issues, you're anticipating them, staying one step ahead and making sure every detail is covered. The control plan gives you a structured step-by-step approach to change. It's like saying, we're making this adjustment, and here's exactly how we'll make sure it succeeds. Everyone on the team knows their role, the risks are managed, and the path forward is clear. With a solid plan in place, change becomes less of a gamble and more of a controlled adventure. You'll find that what once felt risky now feels exciting because you're prepared for whatever comes your way. As you begin your engineering journey, remember, every change is a chance to learn, grow, and improve. The control plan is your key to making those changes safely and successfully, turning challenges into stepping stones for your career. Mastering change management isn't just a technical skill, it's what sets you apart as a leader and a problem solver. Teams value those who can guide them through uncertainty and keep projects moving forward no matter what surprises pop up. When you're proactive instead of reactive, you inspire confidence in your team and your customers. People trust you to deliver results, even when the path ahead isn't perfectly clear. In this video, we'll break down the control plan, see real-world examples, and give you practical tips to master change management. You'll learn how to spot risks, communicate clearly, and turn every change into a win for your team. Change is inevitable in engineering, but with the right tools and mindset, you can make it your greatest advantage. Let's dive in and discover how you can lead the way. Let's break it down. Change is a constant in any business, whether it's updating a process, introducing a new product feature, or responding to customer feedback. But how do you make sure those changes don't disrupt quality or create unexpected problems? That's where a change management control plan comes in. A change management control plan is a temporary, focused document guiding how we control a product or process after a specific change. It acts as a roadmap, helping teams navigate the transition period and ensuring that nothing slips through the cracks. Unlike the regular control plan, this one zooms in on only the altered parts, managing risk and uncertainty. It's not about reinventing the wheel, but about shining a spotlight on what's new or different so everyone knows exactly what to watch out for. It lists the new or modified features, potential failure modes, and extra checks needed to catch issues early. By identifying these areas, the plan helps teams anticipate problems before they happen, reducing costly mistakes and delays. This plan builds trust with customers by showing we're not leaving quality to chance. It demonstrates a proactive approach, reassuring clients that every change is carefully managed and verified. It clearly identifies the part, the change, and the affected characteristics, along with how and who will check them. Assigning responsibilities ensures accountability, so everyone knows their role in maintaining quality. It's a practical, hands-on set of instructions for the shop floor, turning engineering changes into concrete quality actions. This means operators and technicians have clear step-by-step guidance, making implementation smooth and efficient. In short, a change management control plan is your blueprint for safe, successful change. It keeps everyone aligned, reduces risk, and ensures that improvements deliver real value without sacrificing quality along the way. Spotting the triggers. You don't need a control plan for every minor tweak, but you do for changes that could impact form, fit, or function. Triggers include engineering change notices, ECNs, supplier changes like new factories or materials, and compliance updates, such as new RoHS rules. Even internal process improvements, like new machines or altered workflows, can require a plan. The goal verify that changes don't compromise quality. For example, a supplier moving locations or a new environmental regulation both demand extra scrutiny. The plan ensures improvements don't introduce new risks. Use the plan whenever a change could affect what matters most. It's your proof that improvements are truly improvements. Don't gamble with quality. Control it. That's how you stay ahead. The plan is temporary. Think of it as a special task force. It covers the transition period from the first changed part until enough data proves the change is stable. Duration is based on production quantity, not time, like first 5,000 units or first 3 batches. Once data shows the process is stable, the plan is closed and control returns to the standard plan. If problems arise, the plan stays active until issues are fixed and stability is proven. This ensures only good parts reach the customer. The plan is your safety net during change. Use it wisely, then move on. Don't try to measure everything. Focus on what's changed or could be affected. The plan targets only the new or modified features, saving time and avoiding data overload. For example, if you change a screw's material, measure its strength and hardness, not unrelated dimensions. This targeted approach is efficient and meaningful, letting inspectors focus on what really matters. Use tools like PFMEA to identify real risks and decide what to measure. By concentrating on true risks, you validate changes quickly and cost-effectively. Work smarter, not harder. That's the secret to effective change management. Even the best plans can hit snags. Here's where the reaction plan shines. The reaction plan gives clear steps for what to do if a measurement fails. First, contain the problem. Stop production and quarantine suspect parts. Next, validate the issue and notify key team members immediately. For major changes, involve the customer, sometimes with audits or special part submissions. Transparency builds trust and ensures everyone's on the same page. The reaction plan removes panic and guesswork, ensuring a swift, consistent response. Problems happen. Be ready, not surprised. That's real quality control. Stay prepared. The control plan works with other quality tools: SPC, MSA, and PFMEA. SPC uses data from the plan to monitor process stability with control charts. MSA checks if your measurement tools are accurate enough for the new or changed features. If needed, run a new gauge R&R study to ensure reliable measurements. All findings feed back into the PFMEA, updating risk assessments and controls. The plan provides real-world data to keep your quality system sharp. These tools work together for bulletproof quality. Don't use the plan in isolation. Teamwork is key. That's how you build lasting improvements. A plan is only real when it's documented and approved. The Change Management Control Plan gets a unique document number, revision, and is stored centrally. It's created by a cross-functional team: quality, engineering, production, and sometimes operators. This teamwork ensures the plan is practical and robust. Approval from managers, and often the customer, signals everyone's commitment. After the plan's job is done, close it out with a final report and archive it for future reference. This creates a traceable history of every change. Documentation is your proof and your memory. Don't skip it. It's how you build trust. Let's dive into a real-world scenario that many electronics manufacturers face today. Our company is required to transition from traditional lead-based solder to a safer, lead-free alternative in order to comply with the latest RoHS, Restriction of Hazardous Substances, regulations. This isn't just a simple material swap, it's a fundamental change that impacts our entire production process, from sourcing materials to final inspection. To manage this transition, we implement a change management control plan. The plan specifically covers the first 10,000 circuit boards assembled using the new lead-free solder, ensuring that every step is carefully monitored and documented for traceability. Our quality checks focus on the most critical area affected by the change: the solder joints. We conduct thorough visual inspections to spot any surface defects, and perform pull tests to verify the mechanical strength of each joint, making sure the new solder performs as reliably as the old. To guarantee the accuracy of our measurements, we introduce a new measurement system analysis, or MSA, for the pull test gauge. This step is crucial to ensure that our testing equipment provides consistent and reliable results, eliminating any doubts about the data we collect. All test data is tracked in real time using temporary statistical process control, or SPC, charts. These charts help us monitor process stability, quickly spot any trends or shifts, and make data-driven decisions to maintain quality throughout the trial run. If a defect is detected at any stage, our reaction plan kicks in immediately. Production is halted, all affected boards are quarantined to prevent them from reaching customers, and the issue is escalated for a thorough review and root cause analysis. Throughout this process, our customer is kept in the loop. They review and approve the control plan, and are invited to inspect the first batch of boards themselves, building trust and transparency into the relationship. Once we successfully produce 10,000 defect-free boards, the plan is formally closed. We update our standard operating procedures and quality controls to reflect the new compliant process, ensuring that future production runs maintain the same high standards. The result? Our manufacturing process is now both RoHS compliant and highly reliable, meeting regulatory requirements while delivering consistent quality. This is a textbook example of how to manage change with confidence, using structured plans and clear communication. By following a robust plan, you not only protect your product and your reputation, but also win lasting customer trust. That's engineering done right. Proactive, precise, and always focused on quality.